Man, I always get a smile on my face when I'm getting ready to do these videos. It's funny. It's because I'm thinking about all of the connections that I've made since I started doing YouTube, and all of the people that comment on my videos. Just makes me smile, man. I appreciate you guys. So anyway, today we are going to do a house review or a home review of a really nice house that I wanted to review last weekend, but it was closed. So me and my mom are gonna go check it out. So this should be a nice one. Make sure to stay tuned. This is your boy Will Motivation. Let's go check it out.
Motivation.
That's right. Welcome to Will Motivation. Holla.
So we're gonna take the Raptor. It's warm out here today, relatively speaking. So I'm gonna go pick my mom up at her house because she's not super comfortable driving in the weather. She's getting a little older, you know. So gotta respect that. Raptor's looking good, man. No salt on it. It's looking pretty good. All right, let's go. So this is the front of the house coming in. And what do you think so far?
I like the colors.
Got to get the name of this house, but as you come in, this is the dining room, of course. Beautiful, but look at the foyer area. That's up. That's when you come in. So we got your dining room.
It has freezer appeal. Yeah, freezer appeal.
Got an opening to the kitchen. Pretty nice. Let's go check out this office area.
I like the cabinet work.
Nice.
That's really nice.
Nice. It's a larger office than what you normally see. All right. Might be an option or something.
I like the utilization of space. Of the walls especially.
Look at the wine room off of the office. You see that?
Here we go into the wine cabinets. The winery, folks.
Man, look at this.
Oh, I like that mirror right there. It's a nice treatment. And then they have the brick.
Brick. I like the brick. Brick is classic. You got the mirror.
That's really nice. But that's neat. That's really neat.
Got the flooring.
Cabinetry.
Got wood flooring. I think this is engineered wood.
I like this. I like
But you got a wine room off of the office. That's pretty lit.
that is nice.
Pretty lit.
And I love the cabinetry.
Oh yeah,
You don't
cabinets.
have to have all your papers out and your files out
Mm-hmm.
and all.
It's much bigger than my office. I'll tell you that much. Look at the treatment on the walls. Open concept when you come in. Kitchen is nice.
It's
Open.
a coat closet. I'm always interested in coat closet.
Yeah, we gotta check out the coat closet. It's
Because when you
huge.
have parties and
Huge.
all, it's a nice size.
Look at that. It goes all the way back there. It's bigger than mine.
I like that it's painted.
We got a basement. Yeah, they do have a basement. Wait.
Is it furnished?
No, finished. So, very open concept.
This
Look at
is
this.
really open. Very nice.
Let's see what it looks like coming off of the dining room. That's how you get to the dining room. It's your pantry.
Nice size pantry. I like
Your
that.
butler. area, what they call that, butler
That's
pantry.
nice. That's nice.
Alright, so kitchen, gas, cooktop, granite, of course. This house is nice. I like this
the
open
handles
concept.
on it.
It doesn't feel, after being in my house, it feels small in
Yeah,
here.
it feels sort of hovering.
But it's open though.
It's open and spacey, but it's cozy, it's warm.
It's got a nice deck. Might have to get some ideas from off of that deck.
Yes.
Let's check out the deck.
Oh, I like it. You waiting for me
stand.
to say that I want to scream. I was just thinking.
I
Well,
like it. All right, so we got that door figured out.
and
Let's
you
check
don't
out
have
this.
to go all the way over to the kitchen to get the food.
Got a nice gas fireplace.
This is nice and
Like you said, cozy.
cozy. It's
Let's go
cozy.
see how many bedrooms there are. I don't like the wooden spindles. I like the wrought iron. But
I do too, the best. And I would not have beige concrete in the stairway. But I wouldn't mind concrete.
oh, they got a nice loft here.
I think
Homework. Look at the homework setup. That's nice.
oh, now that is great.
It's a little family room upstairs.
And it's wall and it's wall, but the wall is being utilized, you know, and that's great. You have the couch, and then Ruby has her study area,
I like the study area.
and Pinky has it. This is what I've been wanting for them,
I like that.
and this, because you really need an area, whether you're a child or an adult, to have a place to work. And it's inexpensive, but very nice.
Yeah, I agree. All right, so that's the loft. I'm sure that's probably an optional bedroom. So this is the foyer as you come in. Nice. Man, they went all out with this treatment or whatever.
I like it.
We'll save the master for last.
Okay, let's see.
A linen closet.
This closet.
Linen closet, nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's big, and all the closets are kind of bigger than normal.
It's nice.
Let's see bedroom. Bedroom number 1. Really nice.
Oh, that's lovely. You make me happy when skies are gray.
This is nice.
You're my sunshine, my only sunshine every day.
It's nice.
That's cute. In this, well, we know this is a girl's room.
Yeah, it's designed to be a girl.
And the paintings on the wall, how they painted the tree, that's a great idea.
Here's your closet.
Let's see what her closet looks like. Oh my. That is nice. And it's a nice bright color.
I like
it
that.
helps you, it makes it easier to find things.
It's a
too.
backdrop color.
Mm-hmm.
Let's check out this ensuite. Oh, Jack and Jill. So this is what they call a Jack and Jill bathroom. Nice. The light fixtures, the wallpaper.
Yeah, you know they're going back to wallpaper now.
I would not mess with no wallpaper ever. This is a nice bathroom though.
So your daddy used to put up wallpaper while he Sunday like the day. Sunday.
It's a nice little shower area.
Nice tall shower.
Tub.
Tall walls.
So you got a Jack and Jill. It's nice.
This is
Another little
nice.
linen closet.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Nice closet for your towels and
And you got plenty.
You have plenty of storage
linen
for
space.
your cosmetics.
So this is the young man's room right here. It's kind of small.
Look at this.
They're teaching him to be a golfer. That's creative though.
But
They got
it's
a golf treatment on the wall.
very creative ideas. Take advantage of it.
Yeah, it's a nice little bedroom. I don't know how I feel about having my bed by the window.
Well, there's plenty of space over there.
That's bedroom number 2 off the Jack and Jill. Laundry room. Oh no, there's a bathroom, shared bathroom. Man, they got a lot of bathrooms in here. This is a shared bathroom. And every bedroom pretty much has a bathroom.
Very interesting.
Yeah. I don't know about this one. What the heck is that supposed
I
to be?
don't know what it's supposed to be.
Yeah, that's look, they already getting broken off the walls. So
But I like the size of that.
bedroom number 3.
Okay.
This is like a guest bedroom, grandma bedroom.
Yeah, grandma bedroom.
You know.
Let's see what my closet looks like.
Let's see what grandma's closet looks like.
Oh, I love whoever's doing decorating really did a great job in terms of carrying it all the way through. They're a detailed person because they're taking care of every detail.
No television for grandma.
She's a reader.
Grandma's reader. All right, so that's bedroom number 3. Let's go check out bedroom number 4. Well, the master bedroom. Okay, here's the laundry room. We skipped this. Laundry room.
Oh, look at the treatment. I think a laundry room.
Should have style.
Uh-huh.
And look at the master. They took the doors off for some reason.
Because it feels good to.
Why did they take the doors off, man?
It feels
All right,
good.
check out the loft, vaulted ceiling or whatever you call it. It's got the
Wow,
pitch.
it's nice.
Nice.
It's a nice size
It's
room.
about the size of my bedroom, maybe a tad bigger.
You notice there's no television in the rooms?
They're not big on taking TVs around here. They got a television in every room now. Feel guilty about it. So,
It's nice. I mean, this is nice.
I put a TV in the guest room downstairs. Looks good.
Oh, that's great. Oh, good. That's great.
Wireless. All right, so check out. All right, my bathroom. I'm gonna say my bathroom's better than this. What's the thing? Now, these vanities are bigger than mine, but
Here, he and she vanities.
you got your jacuzzi, no jets. You got your using her vanity. You got your water closet.
I like this closet, this linen closet, the storage closet here, where you can put your towels and
Your
all.
shower. Now,
And these are nice.
they punked out on the
cabinets.
shower though.
You really need those.
They punked out on the shower with the shower floor. I don't like those pans.
Oh, yeah. They did
punked out.
graft them though, didn't they? Well,
That's whack. Yeah, this bathroom, I don't know, I'm not feeling it. We're gonna review the houses. I'm not feeling this bathroom at all. The way you come in from the side, it's anticlimactic. This closet, yeah, it's a nice sized closet, but I feel like it's wasted space. I'm not feeling it.
what is this?
All of that space in the middle of the closet. They could have had a wall with some racks on it or something. What's this right here? They got a linen closet in the bathroom?
Yeah, that's nice.
Like
For
this-
all your towels.
I don't like this design.
You got blankets and towels.
I'm giving a thumbs down on this bathroom design. I mean, it's functional, but
It's a very functional house.
I don't know, I'm underwhelmed.
What about this tub? Treatment of this tub.
And how it comes out, like your knees are gonna hit it. I'm not feeling it. They needed some some pillars to come up to the ceiling on the corners. They really want to set it off in here. Yeah, that's whack. So, I'm keeping it real with you guys.
But
I'm not
you
feeling
have
that.
it where you can access your
Yeah,
plumbing.
of course. Yeah, I'm not feeling that though. I'm not feeling that. I don't know. I'm not. This house. I'm gonna see what the price is on it. We do house reviews. We gotta keep them real. But I'm not feeling it that much. Even though it's got some nice functionality. Do I like the furniture? You know, that's not my style. No. My style. I like these. I like that. You know. I like that built-in right there. I like that. You know. I like that furniture right there. That's
I
my
really
style.
do. I like that casual.
Okay.
upstairs.
So let's talk about this, Mom.
All right.
I'm giving this. We have a scale of 1 to 10 out of houses we've been in, and taking the size into consideration. What's your rating for this house? 1 to 10 overall.
I would say, I'd say a 7.
Yeah, I'll give it a 7.5 for functionality, but we're gonna go check the price. But for the size and the neighborhood, I expected it to be. I don't know. The flow of this house to me wasn't so tight, but it's a nice house, of course.
It feels comfortable, and it's very open. So if you had a family, you could sort of know what everybody was doing, but they
This is
still
a spy
have.
house, is what you're saying. No, we don't need that in our family.
You know where everybody is, but yet yet everybody has their privacy.
But we
They
gotta
have
go
their
see one more
privacy
thing.
Spaces.
We got to go see what the basement looks like.
Oh,
Now, the basement's not.
yes,
It's
I
not finished.
love the basements.
It's not finished though, so
Well,
we'll see. Careful. Oh, they got an egress now. That's good. That adds value because you can put a bedroom down here, a legal bedroom.
oh, this is nice. It has nice finished floor
That's a.
and walls.
You call that a finished floor, Mom? Okay, this basement is small, but it has 2 egress windows that add huge value. You can have bedrooms down here, legal bedrooms. That's huge value. That's you add a bedroom down here or 2, that's adding thousands of dollars onto the value. But overall, it's kind of a small basement, and the way they have these pillars makes it harder to finish with an open concept. So
These,
I'm a little, you know, it's clean, it's a design. They did some good things with the egress, but I can't raise my score for that. Look at this little room. We didn't even see this, look. It's like an arts and crafts room.
bathroom right here.
So that's why the living room is kind of small. This is like an arts and crafts room.
Oh, this is lovely. You know what?
Do you give extra points for this?
I love these. Yeah.
So did your score go up from a
And
7?
you know what else I would have in here?
Did your score go up?
Where this wall is, I would have the rolls on there of paper,
Mm-hmm.
gift wrapping paper, when you pull it off,
Yeah.
and you can
Yeah.
work. And I would have even better, more storage.
So
in here.
the question is, does this raise your
Absolutely.
to what?
Yes, indeed.
To what?
To an 8.
Oh, this room did it for mine.
Oh,
I'm
no, I love
impressed
this.
with this room. So
Oh, yes.
yeah, she went from a 7 to an 8.
Yeah.
These lights are pretty sweet though. Those lights are sweet.
Projects,
Those lights are nice.
doing the Christmas cards and writing Christmas cards.
No, the bathroom here, didn't even see.
Yeah, that's nice.
Mudroom. Yo, this is Will Motivation. Just wanted to say thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And also feel free to share this video with your friends and be a part of the movement. I'll check you guys out in the next video. Holla.